my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare, and I am always thinking and always trying to figure out what are the best products for my skin, okay? Right? Girl, we know I'm all about it, so if you haven't done so already, girl, subscribe to my channel. Look for some unique skincare. I love luxury skincare. I also love doing DIY and getting the real tea on the product. So subscribe below and roll with me. Roll with me, girl, I'll show you the way. Okay, so this video is going to be about, you know what, this is an original video, okay? Like, I got this idea from nowhere. I was just sitting on the couch and I was just thinking of cool things to do when it comes to skincare. And I was like, okay, if you know me very well, sorry, I'm not using artificial light either, like the sun keeps setting and you know, we love that. We love a good sun moment, natural sun moment with SPF, of course. I love living in the woods, okay? The woods is, the forest, the woods, it's my sanctuary. Like, I legitimately thrive in the wilderness. I have always have since I was a little girl. And as an adult, I just made the decision, you know, me and my husband, we both were just like, we gotta go live in the woods. Like, that is my tranquility. So, needless to say, I live in the forest. And I was thinking, I love the forest so much. The forest has so much to offer. It has peace. It reduces stress. And I was even reading in like the Japanese culture, some of these doctors will actually prescribe their patients an hour of going into the wilderness a day to help reduce all different kinds of issues because stress brings so much. But what I love about the forest and a lot of different cultures is a lot of these ingredients that you read in skincare are from the earth. I mean, most of them are from the earth, right? So, like, I was like, I want to go in my backyard. I want to gather up things that I can use and create a skincare mask, maybe a skincare moisturizer. I don't know what's going to come out of this yet. I've never done this before, but I'm going to go get products. I'm going to go get plants or anything like that from my backyard, and I'm going to create a skincare product, and I'm going to try it on here with you guys today. I am reading a lot of different things. Like, I have a ton of fern plants in the back of my forest, right? I'm gonna go pick those because I read that they are a antioxidant, anti-aging powerhouse. So I wanna get a little bit of that. Oak bark, I have a ton of oak trees. Oak bark is used for anti-irritation, anti-inflammatory medicine, and it's used for so much more. And then good old-fashioned dirt. That is a good detoxifying product, and putting mud on your face. Apparently, the forest and the earth has so many nutrients to offer our skin. Stay tuned, join me on this magical fun journey. This is a Morgan Talks exclusive. Okay, so right here we have a big oak leaves. So I'm gonna take a little bit. Oh, it's gorgeous oak leaf, love that. I'm gonna go get the bark with this. Got the bark. Guys, I think this is a birch tree. If this is like a gold mine because birch is really, really good for your skin and it smells divine. So hold on, the only way I'm gonna know if this is a birch tree is if I get its bark. So I think I'm like 60% sure this is birch. I could be totally wrong, but I'm taking the bark anyway. And of course, what can these crazy ducks do? Look at these smell divine. I am gonna pick some of this, whatever it is, put it in my mask because why not? We've got some hips going on. Gorgeous. You guys, this is a natural grapevine. Just as I thought, this is a wild carrot. I used to collect a lot of these plants when I was a little girl, so I do have some knowledge on exactly what they are. I knew these belonged to a berry bush, and I believe these belong to a blackberry bush, so this is also used in traditional medicine. as well as oak leaves and oak bark, and this is also used in traditional medicine. Then I still don't know what this is. I thought it was a birch leaf. It still might be a birch leaf, but I don't know. I have my doubts because it doesn't smell like birch, and they have like a very prominent smell. Also, the stem on a birch tree is typically white, but not always. So then of course we have our fern, and then our oak bark, and then our little violet plant. So I'm gonna be boiling this together to get the extracts from them, and then I'm gonna mix this in mud. Hey you guys, so I'm back. I literally just mixed this concoction. You know what? This is the first thing that I'm actually a little nervous to put on my face. Let's just take a big whiff. Wow. It smells like boiled earth. Like I've never, you know how things smell when you boil them? That's insane. So this is, you know what, I do have to say it's nice to not smell a fragrance in my product. I do have to say. This is just 100% mother freaking nature. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply this. It's a little watery. Girl, I've been letting it sit because sometimes the flavoring and everything, like it needs to kind of just settle down and sit and kind of calm down and also not be too hot for my face. I did get 100% natural dirt right from the earth that surrounds my house. I purposely did not want to get any like topsoil from the store in there. I wanted to just get the real deal dirt that God gave me. So let's just start applying and see what happens. Here it is. Looks kind of cool, right? It's definitely a little grainy, so be gentle. I have a mirror right here, so let's just get it popping. Is it too hot? Oh, look at that. Look how good that covered. Oh my God. This applies nicer than most of my masks that I get from the store. I'm not even kidding. Look at how much coverage that got. Like it's not sheer whatsoever. Girl, it's 100% dirt. Okay, hold on. I gotta get a washcloth. I'm getting dirt all over the place. This is crazy. Hold on. Okay, you guys, so my mask has dried and like, look at it. It looks so different. It's so green. So that to me tells me that like my leaves and everything that I put in here are within the mud, and I'm so happy about it. You could see where it's extracting from my pores. Honestly, I'm really surprised at how well this is turning out. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna go rinse it off now, and then I'm gonna get you guys up close and personal with my face to see, it looks great. It was fun doing it, but could it clean my face? I'll get right back to you guys. Hey you guys, so I just washed my mask off. So first up, I'd like to say, as soon as I washed it off, first of all, I picked 2 spots here. So if they're a little red, it's not from the mask. I was just testing something out. So you guys could see I do have a nice little glow going on. And I do have to say my skin is very soft and feels moisturized. So one of the ingredients in this concoction made my skin feel moisturized. Like sometimes like when I take like the Aztec Healing Clay mask off, like my face just feels so like tight. My face is not tight. It is delicately moisturized. And honestly, it's really nice. Huh. It's not the best mask I've ever used, but it's certainly not the worst. And I think It's a really good mask. I think, wanna know what also? If you have a little bit of tea tree oil, 100% tea tree oil, I think if this mask had that in it, I think it would be even better. But of course I can't test that because I don't have it here. But I mean, you guys be the judge. You tell me. I think I forgot to wash some off here. I mean, it's definitely messy. It's definitely a little dirty. It's, you know what, but I have to excuse it because it is just 100% from my yard. So if you guys are looking, and it's free, it was completely free and 100% natural, and I didn't have to pay anything for it. So if you guys are looking for a nice detox and you're looking to get creative and you don't want to spend money, especially in a times like today, and you want to just know what the heck is going on in your backyard, I would say go ahead and try this. I was pleasantly surprised at the way it applied, the way it rinsed off, and you know what? It is actually more delicate than a lot of other masks that I've used, meaning it had tiny, tiny, tiny grains in there, so you could get a nice little exfoliation, but nothing too harsh. Some of these masks that I have tried are really harsh on your skin, and this one was actually just so nice. So if you are a natural skin lover and you want to be as natural as possible, I say go for it. I thought this was a great mask, and my face looks very nice for a free, amazing mask, and I can only imagine what other skincare benefits all of the ingredients in there has provided my skin. So I rate this mask a B on my skincare scale. So honestly, you guys go out there, don't be afraid to get creative. If you see certain plants in your area, Google the plant and how it benefits skin, and each one of the items will have something that they use in skincare products that they don't sell on a commercial level. So here's your chance to get up close and personal with nature and get that 100% natural products. Everybody, I hope this video was helpful to you. I hope you try this because it was really fun. And don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of everything that I just did, because I think this was really wild and unique. Have a great day, everybody. Love you. Bye.